Morning! I'm heading off today to see Sunny Bird and deliver some brownies, along with discussing some content and taking some shots around the launch of her new brand, The Perfect Dress Company. Sunny's is one of those places where I don't like to turn up empty-handed, hence the brownies. She's got like a proper awesome team, and our office is, yeah, I definitely got office envy. It is quite a thing. Hello. How are you? Hello, you alright?
Nice to see you, love.
And you?
Oh, the girl's gonna be so happy. I've got brownies.
Hello. Not too bad, you?
He's brought you brownies!
So back at the studio, meeting went well. Let's talk about Sunny. So this is Sunny Bird, the founder of Sunny Bird PR. A PR agency working with all sorts of health and beauty, lifestyle, food and drink brands like Jimmy's Iced Coffee, Mr. Lee's Noodles, Conquer Spirits, Dorset Cruises, 1805, Just Shutters, Sarah Ali Chowdhury, and a load of other cool brands. Over the past 6 years, Sunny has built up a super awesome team of PR and social media goddesses. And Josh. So Sunny and her team thought it'd be a good idea to start a product-based brand to experience what her clients are going through on the daily. Thus, the Perfect Dress Company was born. I've been following their journey from the start and have been loving the mission, but their latest announcement has caused a lot of attention, and rightly so. You know, we've all seen it when you're online shopping and you change the cut or colour of a jean and the image changes. Yeah? I think even Master Debonair have a big boys section where it changes all the images to a heavier set guy, much like myself. But the Perfect Dress Company have taken this further. Simply select your size and poof! You can now see every item on a model that best represents your size. It's crazy genius, no? See, look. Magic. I'm making it clear too. This is no CGI, augmented reality, robot trickery. These are actual models in actual clothes. Oh, time to go get Teddy.
Go on, doggy, go on, doggy. Oh, I will pack you
Yeah, to start a product-based brand. Product-based brand. Start a product brand. I just ain't getting this, am I?